Welcome to Product HQ. This video is to show you how the feature module works within the platform. Within Product HQ, product managers can lay out their feature backlog. This will track any requests that they've decided should be something they consider to add in the future as an enhancement or change to the system. You can always create a new feature directly within this section or promote different research items into features. Features can be generated off of feedback, user interviews, competitor analysis, objectives, or personas to ensure that you are considering all changes needed to keep your product competitive and in the top of the market. Features include a number of information points to track about the item. Within a feature, you can define the feature name, the objective or strategic goal that it is aligning to help you accomplish, tags to quickly organize them, timeline and status of when you plan to work on it, if you want to establish a release that you want to get it done in, or add it to your backlog, if you want it to show within your public roadmap, and if so, the name to display there, who could be the owner of the item, as well as the overall description of it. You can define additional requirements or user stories about this item. Each requirement can then be added to define additional information to take a deeper dive into what you hope to accomplish with this feature. Features and requirements can be established and assigned out to owners, and would be a one-to-many relationship where you could have multiple requirements defined for any given feature. In addition to defining your feature details and requirements, you can also attach different information. If you have mock-ups or Visio diagrams or data flow that you'd like to include about your feature, those can be attached to here as well. You can also track a team discussion. So if you have multiple folks working on the same feature, they can each add information and comments to track that about this item. Features can exist on your backlog. And these are items, again, that have not been established or tied to a given release. You can then view those within your feature board. The feature board gives you a full view of everything that is being considered for your product in the future. You can use a now, soon, future, or unscheduled view of your features to keep an eye on what you feel should be the prioritization of your items, and as you begin to work on scope of a release, quickly track which items should bubble up to the top and make it to the next release. From within your feature board, you can click here, add objectives, assign it to a release, toggle the on and off switch for whether or not you want this to be on your public roadmap, send it to your parking lot, or update the schedule. The parking lot is a great way to move items that you plan to work on, but no time soon. If it's something that you plan to work on in the far future, a deliverable for a different year or quarters out, this is something that you can place here, track, and take off the parking lot at any given time.